Luar Kapatisi TV. Kabul, Kamashin Kabalas Nakarpang Kabakhamskem, Kamsted, Kamklan, Batbaduna Bam Umpnia.
UMP Keseng Kongres Natura Saleng Sangma ulong baka Kongres kan omyap Henry Gendang San kabadang mi gisngi tak ba ay nuksay kinoy lambarim jong ka party kibla pinim ya ka party hakajela Megalaya hakajing kram kilar patay kubor hakap kundai trik urusaw arajar pausan Saleng ulong bagajing pin kre jong ka Kongres yak election MDC Shakagaru Hills Autonomous District Council Kalaya Shakman naman baka Kongres kedai kebladan lupa Dohnud jong ki Paidbah bat kabasa menta kalong taman yo ki kertong ki babiang habakin tu ki noilam ki balarim ki balami no na ka party Saleng uloong bagajing khang jong ka party ka ple barabor ban pediang ngobha yaki dikhon bat ki noilam ki barim ki buwan bangun phai biang sha ka party.
Let me tell you, I am the MP from the Meghalaya. You see, there was the MP from the Meghalaya from the Congress before also. PA Sangma was MP from the Congress. You know, everyone was MP from the, even PA Sangma was also the Chief Minister from the Congress. So Congress will never end, as I have told you. Congress will always grow, it will ever grow also.
Are you planning to organize Congress party better in Garo Hills now with the GHDC election?
Let me tell you, Congress is always in their heart, with the people's heart. So only thing is that we have to give a right candidature in the right, in the right area, like a good placement. We welcome them if they want to come back, because you see, God has given us a free will, so you cannot judge on that. Sometimes that's why there is a devil actually. So devil is always behind to tempt them. Okay, that's why they have a free will. If they want to come back, they are, we welcome them. Now even our Madam Deborah, she has been working really hard, and because of her also, Sir Janet and his team has already rejoined with us. Thanks to you. Yeah, even. It's not about the GHCD. It's about the people. If the people realizes that our sixth schedule is going to be scrapped this and that way, or maybe it's going to be deduced into some kind of pulling out the power from the sixth schedule. So all kinds of things are there. So that's why it's the people's choice. We just cannot command or direct the people to vote for the Congress. If the people thinks it's right, if they think that they need the changes, then they might give back to the Congress. You see, Congress is there always there. But you see, it's not the it's not the leader. I mean, it's not the Congress is always there with the people itself. Okay, but when the wrong candidature has been given in the area where they wanted, definitely people defected from that particular area. So Congress has not been out. Congress is always there, and Congress will be there.
You have averse to Mughal Sangma joining.
I think he himself has bluntly spoke about the not joining the Congress. I think you might have heard. I think you all have already written that particular stance where he stood, that he will never be joining Congress even in the future also, right? No, you see, like for example, you see that's why I related to that particular prodigal son. Na? Now he has realized, so he has come back. He has redeemed himself. So there's even the father, the parents, the family has accepted the prodigal son. Why can't we? He is a good man, so he wants to do something good for the people. That's why we accepted him. Party has accepted him. High command has accepted him. That's why we are working on that one. He himself has spoken, right? So I need not have to clarify that one. Anything? If we plan good for the people, if the people wants to accept it, let them. It's the choice. We will try to do the best, because you see, one time Congress might be in the ruling, but that time the leaders were the same. You got my point. When the Congress was there, PA Sangma was there, Dr. Mukul was there, but since there is no more PA Sangma and then other leaders, we are here with even in the old bottle also we have got a new water,
so
new wine.
So will you?
It's not me actually. We will see, because we will not bring them back all. because all of them might not be good. Some of them might be good. Okay, we might bring them some of them. It's not necessary that all the TMC MLAs should come. You got my point? It's not necessary. So we have to look at and then take the view from the people whom they like. So let the people. It should be the people's choice. We just don't want to bring them everybody back, either from the NPP or from the NCP or from anybody, or from any TMC like that. I'm very much happy. I'm very much happy. After all, it will not only boost the party, it will boost the society, and then moreover, it will give a confidence to the, give a confidence to the people from the Meghalaya and the party as a whole. I don't want to speak on his behalf because he himself has already said bluntly that he will never join the Congress party even in the future also. So we welcome everyone's decision.
Pin real spark, ya kak tin la jong pin dan kam, ya kabakan kio kak tin kasi, kak tin la jong, akan roy kan pa. Kakin tin risau, kadai bat kamut ya upanai basipo jong kasnem. Ha uni upanai, kaladeiru kapor senrai, hakabaki slading slasi, kikup ya karong risau. Kanika kentin risau, kamurru ya kametba jong uknam. Tudaya kan mau kendit ho. Lapan mi takapati CTV, nakamenta kajing mentoy Paidbah.